To the tune of
Wrong Way by Sublime
and Katie and Jen.
Annie's just a spell, and she'd really like to tell you how there are two ways to do transport. With the cellular membrane, they do exocytosis. Cell transport. Hypertonic is small like a kid, but isotonic will help you live with solutions running through your veins to keep the membrane from being raised in shape. The amount of hypotonic will make cells really big in size and dissolve less, so they can use the protein to diffuse, facilitated diffusion. The kind of transport that uses energy is the active transport that moves against the membrane. Building material, so the cells around it doesn't pass directly through the membrane. Endocytosis. Passive transport through membrane by diffusion